SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to unblock a contact on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've previously blocked a contact on your iPhone and you now wish to unblock that contact, then you can open the Settings app, scroll down, and choose the Messages option. You can then scroll down again and select Blocked Contact in the SMS and MMS section. Then you can find the contact that you would like to unblock, swipe to the left on that contact, then choose the Unblock option there. Now that contact that was previously blocked will be unblocked, which means that you'll be able to receive text messages, phone calls, and FaceTime calls from that contact. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.